In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete client in Jobber. If you've ever ended up with a duplicate client, a test profile, or a contact you no longer work with, cleaning up your client list keeps your account tidy and your team focused on the right records. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, and share a few tips so you can do this confidently. First, open Jobber in your web browser and sign into your account. You'll land on the home dashboard. From here, look to the main navigation and find the section labeled Clients. This is where all of your customer profiles live. Click Clients to open your client list. On the Clients page, you'll see a searchable list of every client in your account. Before you delete anything, take a moment to find the exact profile you want to remove. Use the search bar to type part of the client's name, company, or other identifying details. Double check that you've selected the correct record, especially if you have clients with similar names or shared company information. Deleting the wrong profile can create confusion for your team and your reporting later on. Once you've located the right client in the list, look to the far side of that client's row for the three-dot menu icon. This is the Actions menu for that specific client. Click the three dots to reveal the available options. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This tells Jobber you want to remove that client from your account. Depending on your settings and the state of that client's history, you may see a confirmation notice before the change is finalized. Read any message that appears so you understand what will happen to related items like quotes, jobs, or invoices. If Jobber needs you to handle something first, such as reviewing related work, it will let you know on screen. After you complete the deletion, the client will no longer appear in your list. If you still see the record, give the page a quick refresh to update the results. If you remove the wrong profile by mistake, you can recreate the client as a new contact and reattach any active work as needed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions to delete clients in your account, and always consider exporting or noting any information you might want later. If Jobber prevents a deletion, it's usually to protect important records, and the message you see will guide your next steps. That's it. Go to Jobber, open Clients, click the three dots beside the client you want to remove, and choose Delete. Clean, quick, and done.